Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing our PLC project for 2025 titled AI Feedback and STEM Technique in Composition Writing for the Malay department. I'll briefly cover why we chose this focus, what we observed and what the data shows. And finally, how does this work in the classroom? Our project focused on strengthening composition writing through two key elements: explicit instruction using the STEM technique and guided AI feedback. We meet weekly during our timetable PLC session, and the emphasis is on improving students' writing through clear skill instruction, structured feedback, reflection, and revision, not on increasing teachers' workload. PLC is anchored in the Singapore teaching practice, particularly in the areas of assessment and feedback and lesson enactment. The focus is not using new tools for the sake of it, but how feedback supports learning more effectively. The project balanced pedagogical knowledge, how we teach writing and feedback, and content knowledge, what students need to demonstrate in composition. AI is used to support pedagogy, not replace the teacher judgment. Our guiding question under the big idea 1. Ensuring students learn is simple. How do we know the students are learning? So, we focus on observable evidence in the student writing, not just the task completion. To review progress, we analyze the pre and post writing samples and track the improvements in structure, vocabulary, idea development, and the character depth using the STEM framework. Students also completed a self-checklist to reflect how they used AI, which promoted ownership, accountability, and reflection. Using the STEM framework, we observe clearer improvements in the action, emotion, dialogue, and personality. Across the primary 4 and primary 5, we saw a 20 to 60% improvement in the writing performance. Student reflection show strong engagement in idea generation, paragraph organization, and revision. Overall, the findings support that AI feedback, when combined with explicit STEM instruction, can enhance writing depth and character development. AI supports reflection and revision. That thinking still belongs to the student. I'll end by briefly explaining the classroom flow. First, the students are explicitly taught STEM: speech, thoughts, action, mood, and personality. As students progress, our expectation increase with STEM applied more consistently and eventually across the paragraphs. Next, the student write the first draft independently. They then submit a paragraph into Magic School AI, where the AI highlight areas for improvement. Students then reflect, identify their own mistakes, revise, and submit a second draft to the teacher, allowing feedback to focus on the higher order writing skills. This flow ensures skills are taught explicitly. AI is used responsibly and students remain owners of their learning. That is the core of our PLC project. Thank you.